G'day. Well, here's a little test. If you've seen my video on my main channel, Steve Mack Australia, I tested this Ulanzi cage setup with an external GoPro mic adapter versus the GoPro cage, or whatever you call them, media center. I think it has advantages. Ends up being about the same price, but tell me what you think of this audio, because I think it's a lot better than the inbuilt audio for sure. And doing a little test, my first time, because previously I've had it on linear. This time I've zoomed in a bit, so I'll probably use this on my upcoming, in a few weeks, 20th anniversary of YouTube video on my main channel. But let's just try this anyway. As last time I used the Undead Cat mic on top, which in this case is a Rode. This time I've got a standard foam windshield. Alright, check out the video and I'll see you soon. Cheers. Do a little pan around shot. Doesn't look too bad. And this is a little test on 5.3K, which should be the same kind of width, I think. Anyway, let's see if the voice works. GoPro, stop recording.